last words? Elise, keep your head to the back of the seat. Whatever you do, do not fall out of the car.
Welcome back.
Hi.
How was that?
That was fun.
That was fun?
Yeah, are we able to go again?
You do want to go again?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, if you can talk them into it, I'll do
Can we go again? Can we go again?
No!
Please? Please?
If you guys want to pay for it, you guys can do anything.
I'll tell you what, I'll do $10 each.
$10
They
each.
want to pay for it.
Y'all gonna pay for
Can we
it?
pay for it after we go?
Yeah, you can pay when you come
Alright,
back.
yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah.
Alright.
We're gonna go again, but we're gonna pay him after. That's okay.